Hello, first grade scientists. Our target skill for today is I can observe how plants have basic needs. Do you know the basic needs of a plant? Just like us, plants need water, air, and space to grow. Plants also get their food from nutrients in the soil and from the sunlight. Today we are going to observe and investigate whether or not plants have what they need. So in front of you, you will have why do plants grow? We're going to fill out this first page together. What do we want to find out? We want to find out if the plants have what they need to grow. We are going to observe to figure it out. What will we observe? We are going to observe 2 plants today. How will you treat the plants differently? Boys and girls, your answer might be different than my answer. Today, I'm going to look at 2 plants. One plant I've been taking care of and watering, and the other plant I have not. So that is how my plants are different. One plant was watered and one plant was not. So here with me, I have a part of a plant that we have been watering at my house. You can see that the stem is nice and straight and the flowers are colorful and standing straight out the top of this plant. Now here I have a plant that I have not been watering, a flower I have not been watering. If you can listen closely, you can hear that it's all dry. The flower is smushed and flat, and it is no longer red, but a dark brown color. This is what happened when I did not water my flower. Another example of this can be seen in these pictures here. This is a houseplant that has been taken care of. What do you notice about the flowers and the leaves of this houseplant? Now this is another houseplant that someone took on their beach vacation. They thought the plant wanted to come out and play in the sand with them. But what happened to this plant? What do the flowers and leaves look like on this plant? What happened to its stem? Does this plant look like it has what it needs to grow? What might this plant be missing? Now, boys and girls, it's your turn. On your record sheet, look at 2 different plants, plant A and plant B. Draw pictures in the boxes to answer the questions. How do the stems look? How do the leaves look? Is there anything else that you observe about your 2 plants? Now, boys and girls, you can go ahead and look outside your window to find 2 plants, or if you have plants in your home, you can look for 2 plants. Do those plants have what they need? Can a plant grow when it does not get what it needs? Will my flower continue to grow even though I did not water it? And the last question, what other questions could you ask about plant needs? This is where you get to brainstorm, scientists, a question for another experiment. All right, first graders, you have fun observing those plants. I can't wait to see what you find.